morning. Integrated oil and gas service provider Sapura Energy is on our radar this morning. The analyst fraternity has generally been not that optimistic about its prospects, but MIDF Research believes it's time to buy. Target price 14 cent versus the stock's last closing price of 11.5 cent. To recap, Sapura Energy recently bagged 840 million ringgit worth of new contracts and contract extensions via its subsidiaries and JVs. The wins in South America and the Ivory Coast brings its total contract wins to date to 1.6 billion ringgit. According to MIDF's estimates, that would take the group's total order book to roughly 14.5 billion ringgit. Sapura Energy also announced a second straight profitable quarter in 2Q with a net profit of 23.7 million ringgit on the back of 53.4 million ringgit in revenue. The earnings beat estimates by MIDF, which issued its note prior to the results announcement. MIDF had expected net profit to come in between 15 million and 20 million ringgit. The research house also hiked its earnings forecast by 16.5% to 63.5 million ringgit for FY21 and 25.1% to 108 million ringgit for FY22. Currently, Sapura Energy's share price presents a good buying opportunity given that oil prices are expected to remain stable throughout the year. The company is well positioned to potentially win more contracts given its expertise in providing various oil and gas-related services. And finally, as MIDF pointed out, the stock is currently trading at an attractive PE ratio of 11.9 times. So what's the consensus? According to Bloomberg data, the latest recommendations comprise 1 buy, 1 hold and 5 sells. The average target price is 8 cent, that's 30% lower than Friday's close of 11.5 cent.